everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new, my name is Winnie and I will be trying Lori Harvey's workout for 7 days, a full week. So I am guessing you guys have already seen the video, but if you haven't, I'm going to try to put the video up here. But if I don't, you guys can definitely find videos online. There are tons of videos talking about how workout. I love Lori Harvey. She is amazing, she is beautiful, she's just a gorgeous, beautiful black woman. So I am excited to be trying her workout. So I'm only going to be trying this for 7 days because honestly, you guys, her workout and like her entire like weight loss routine is kind of extreme for me. Number one, I never count my calories and I don't work out like 5 to 6 times a week. That is insane. But we're going to be trying her workout and we're going to try to eat around roughly 1,200 calories. The first thing I'm going to do is buy groceries. So I'm going to try to pick healthy foods, healthy groceries randomly. Also, when I get back from work, I'm going to download some Pilates workout because she mentioned doing some Pilates and some cardio. So I already have cardio workouts on my computer, but I'm going to download some Pilates workout that I'm going to do from home. Throughout this video, I'm going to be trying her workout. I'm going to try to eat roughly around 1,200 calories, and I'm just going to give you guys a general like conclusion and thought about everything at the end of this video. So please, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe down below. All right, without wasting any more time, I'm going to go shopping. All right, let's go. Hi guys, so I am now back from work and I'm now going to download some Pilates workout and I'm going to work out right now. Funny how I am working out like at the end of the day. It's around 4 p.m. right now, so I'm going to quickly do the workout and call it a day. I already had something to eat today, so I'm just going to pop it on the screen. So this is what I'm wearing. This is just like a regular tight. This is not like a workout outfit. So that is my workout outfit today.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take a flight to my still got a big lit. Touch with the incense, got my mind brands, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun on safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break, I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite of that life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid, I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams. Wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty, I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas, nitro with a new pen, go at ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, ayy, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, ayy, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave.
So that's the time, and it's just sunny outside. It's really good. Ah! This is my new shirt. Ah! See why they say always apply your skincare to your hands and then to your face. I'm just going to ignore that. And I gotta tell you guys, I am enjoying the workout as well. I am loving it so well. Like, I feel so refreshed after. Like, nothing is more satisfying than a sweaty gym outfit, because you know you give it your all, and I felt so good after. I mean, summer, like summer, I'm coming for you. I am coming for you. Anyway, you guys, like, I am enjoying the workout so far. It's amazing. It's almost the end of the workout, and I just wanted to pop in here and tell you guys that if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please support me if you're liking the video. Like and subscribe. I also wanted to pop in here actually to say that I'm enjoying the workout, and I think you guys should try it. It's so amazing, so refreshing. It's also hard because a lot of the Pilates workout that I'm doing, they're 30 minutes long. Like, I have not found any Pilates workout online that's like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And then I also do like a light cardio at the end. I also did a little bit of weight, but I didn't do so much because it's not the focus of this workout routine. I did some abs because you gotta always throw in some abs, okay? A lot of the recipes that I'm sharing with you guys are recipes that I am repeating throughout this workout. The reason is because I don't want to give myself the mental stress of trying to calculate calories and do all that for every single meal for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So instead, when I'm having oats, I'm going to have oats throughout the week. So I hope the foods that I'm sharing with you guys gives you kind of like a glimpse or an idea of what I'm eating throughout this workout. For the oatmeal that I'm going to be having, it's this one over here. It looks so delicious, and I think I have every single thing to recreate this, so I'm going to make this. So I need some cinnamon, oatmeal, dark chocolate. I have some dark chocolates and sliced apples and peanut butter. I have every single thing to make this oatmeal, so let's hope that I can recreate this because it looks so good, so freaking delicious, and I honestly cannot wait to eat. Now we are in the final day of this workout challenge. I would say that there isn't any noticeable difference. Of course, this challenge was just for 1 week. I think 1 week is too small to really see an actual difference in your body. You need to be consistent with it for the long term for you to really see any noticeable difference. I'm not surprised. I wasn't expecting a miracle of course, because it's just 1 week. I would say the workouts were so exciting. I usually never do Pilates. I don't know, I just really enjoyed the workouts. I enjoyed the exercises. They were so nice. Like I even mentioned, I spiced things up with abs and a little bit of weights. I just added my own twist to it, but I would say it was really exhausting as well. Each of the workouts were nothing less than 30 minutes, and I was working out so hard every single day for the past 6 days, and I was eating around 1,200 calories. Although that is an estimate, I didn't like actually track what I ate, but as you guys saw, those were the meals that I ate on repeat. I don't think they were enough to fuel my body for the workouts that I was doing, so I was exhausted a lot of the time. My favorite recipe out of everything, I would say, was the veggie soup and the oats, and I will continue to make them. They are now one of my favorite things to eat, honestly. Moving forward in my fitness, I would definitely increase the calories a little bit more, and if I feel the need to drop it down, I won't drop it down so drastically. I'll drop it down little by little, so it's not really shocking for me, and it's something that I can do sustainably. It was an exciting week overall. I really enjoyed everything that I did this week. It was such an exciting challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't. Binge watch some of my other videos, and until next time, I can't wait to see you in another video. Take care.